These egg muffin bites, Eddie just loves them. They're really great. They freeze well and they microwave up well, and they're just really delicious. So today I'm going to make six. I have a 6 cavity muffin pan. I guess I'll eat 2 of them and maybe freeze the others for a busy morning when I don't have time to cook or whatever. And basically the ingredients are spray oil, uh, 6 eggs. I have 1 egg per cavity in the muffin tin. I have some leftover hash browns from breakfast, some pork sausage, and some cheese. So I'm going to get started by spraying these with the oil here. I have the oven preheated to 350. These puff up like muffins a little bit, and they're just so good. All right. Okay, I've beaten up my eggs and put them in a container with a spout for easy pouring, like I should have done in the first place. I'm going to get started by, I took a little bit of the sausage out, and I'm going to divide that in the 6 muffin tins, muffin cavities. I like to have a bag of pre-cooked sausage in the freezer, and then I just take what I need when I need it. It's convenient. All right. That looks about right. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some of the, move this out a little, I'm going to put some of the potato in each one. You really get a full breakfast here with the potato, cheese, and sausage and egg, except it's way better than the fast food version. All these ingredients. Hash browns were made out of potatoes that I made, that I cooked from real potatoes, and it's just, I don't know. I really try to keep things whole foods here. I mean, it's, I use fast food stuff and canned stuff too, but when I can, I really try to cook from scratch as much as possible. All right, that's good enough. And finally, some cheese. You can put any cheese you want in it. Eddie's a big cheddar cheese fan, so that's what I always get him. I got this big bag of shredded cheese at Grocery Outlet. I got 2 big bags and just divided them into smaller sandwich bags and quart bags, and it's just so convenient. It's just really great. I take out a full bag or part of a bag from the freezer, and it's just right there. You use what you want. Less waste. All right. A little bit more here. And we're good with all the ingredients. Now I'm going to pour the egg into the cavity, and just be real careful with that. I want to make sure that there's enough egg and it also doesn't overflow. So these will puff up a little bit. Let them get soaked in there. Whoops. Have to clean that up. Got a little overconfident there with my pouring. Let me add this a bit more. Okay, and they're ready for the oven at 350. Here it is. Don't they look good? They smell amazing. They were probably in there about 10 or 15 minutes. If you want to know if they're done or not, just gently, kind of lay the back of a fork in the middle or the back of a knife, and just make sure that the center is cooked and kind of bouncy and not liquidy. That's pretty easy to tell. So anyway, I'm going to let these rest and then take them out of the muffin pan. If you let them cool a few minutes, they come out pretty easily. What I do is I run a knife around it and then just gently pop it out just like this. And here you can see what it looks like. It's nice and raised. They're just so delicious. As I say, I usually feed the first 2 to Eddie at breakfast or whenever, and then the rest go in the freezer. And a piece of advice I have for re-microwaving these is to put them on a paper towel, because they do tend to retain a little bit of liquid during the freezing process, and the paper towel will absorb that out. Anyway, happy egg making. These are delicious and a great thing to have on hand. Thank you so much for watching.